Hi, it's your boy Valdez for Brown Sense Imaging, and if you're watching this video right now, you're either planning a family reunion in the metropolitan Detroit area, or you may be planning a reunion somewhere in the country, and you're watching this video on Facebook in your family reunion group, or you may have stumbled across this video on YouTube. But anyhow, if you're planning a reunion, this video is for you. I want to take this opportunity to just kind of go over a few things about my company and some changes that I'll be making going forward. So if you already know who I am, if you planning a reunion, if you met me at the family reunion seminar, things of that nature, there's some changes that I'm going to make going forward starting in 2019. I want to put this information out there for you guys. So I'll go ahead and get right into it. Right now, the website you are looking at, this is my current website. This is brownsenseimaging.com, and the services that we offer, we make t-shirts, tote bag, and we provide photography services on location at family reunions. So essentially what that means is um, if you wanted t-shirts printed at your family reunion, we can come to your family reunion and make the search there so you don't have to front the cost and do a bulk order. Now, you prefer to do a bulk order, that's an option for you as well. So I thought I'd put that information out there for those that may not know, that probably don't know about my company and the services that we offer. And I've been in business for about 5 years now, and I started with the t-shirts and photography. I later added tote bags, retractable banner, and I even have a DJ on my team. And now I am a travel agent with Archer Travel. So I'm going to go over that with you right now because this is going to kind of dive into the changes that I'll be making going forward. All right. So this is my travel site. I decided to partner as an agent. I decided to partner with FunJet Vacation to handle all of my online bookings. And essentially what this is instead of you, the service that we offer now, instead of you actually picking out a hotel yourself and doing the work and the traditional way where you do a contract with the hotel, what FunJet Vacation have now is they have this option called Groups Your Way. And essentially what that means is they will create what you call a custom event page. So once you figure out what hotel that you want to host your family reunion at, and if you need some help finding a hotel, I can assist you with that as well. But once you find your hotel, then they will go ahead and create a custom event page for your family reunion. And essentially what this is an event page, a link where that it will include a booking engine, something similar to this. However, the hotel will be built into it, and whatever. Essentially, when you room block a multiple rooms at a hotel the traditional way, they give you a certain discount. Well, each event page will have what you call a promo code built inside of it, and that would be equivalent to your discounted rate when you room block a hotel. So essentially, your family members will get the same rate that you get, that everybody who booked through that link essentially get the same rate. So that's how the custom event page works, and it's beneficial for you because now all you have to do is send out that link once the event page has been created. All you have to do is send out that link to your family members, and they can book anywhere, anytime. Now, there is a catch, and the catch is that these are not contracts. All right, so you want to keep that in mind when you're sending this information out to your family. Once you pick a hotel, you want to set a deadline date to give your family members enough time to actually utilize that link. All right, so I just want to put that information out. And because going forward, and this is the changes that I'll be making going forward. This is right now I kind of operate as a t-shirt company and things of that nature, but going forward, I'm going to focus more on the travel side, which I'm going to market myself as a travel agent, and I'm going to include DJ services, T-shirt printing, photography service, and the retractable banner. as complimentary. Well, not complimentary, but it's going to be an additional service. The photography service is going to consist of, if you need a hotel, obviously you need meeting space for your family reunion banquet. We're going to include a complimentary banner for your family reunion meet and greet and your banquet. And also I'm going to include complimentary photography services when you book with me. Now, the t-shirt option, where I print the t-shirts on site at the family reunions, this will also be included. However, your family members will have to pay for your own t-shirt. And the way I have it set up now, you will pay a $65 booking fee. Well, that $65 booking fee will automatically be waived when you book with us, as far as um, selecting a hotel and booking with us. Okay, so you'll get a custom event page. You'll get complimentary photography services for your family reunion banquet, and you will have your t-shirts printed on site. T-shirts are right now will consist of only a one color design, and maybe going forward in the future, after I build the brand up a little bit, I'll be able to offer more colors. All right, so and also I have a professional DJ that's going to be included in that as well. So there is a fee for the DJ and there's a fee for the t-shirts, but you're not fronting the cost of the t-shirt. You're only paying for your own t-shirt. So essentially, wherever the cost would be for you to order your t-shirts, you can actually use that money to pay the DJ. All right. So keep that in mind. This is for those planning a reunion in the local area. Now, if you're planning a reunion outside of the Detroit metropolitan area and you want to take advantage of this opportunity, then I'm going to give you, obviously, you will be more interested in the t-shirts by bulk. So I'm going to give you a 50% discount off the total cost of your order. So let's just say you need 100 t-shirts, one color design. Essentially, I charge $6.85 per shirt. Up to an extra large, I add $2 for 2X and 3Xs, and I add $3 for 4Xs and 5Xs. That's a great deal in itself. However, if you book through us, I'm going to go ahead and slice that in half and give you a half off discount on that. So that's the services that I'm providing going forward in 2019. I just wanted to get that information out to you guys. That's all I got today for this video. If you want more information, you can respond to this email. You can shoot me an email, brownsensorlive.com. You can give me a call, 734-363-2943. I have my number included in this email as well. My name is Valdez Brown with Brown Sense Imaging. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year, and as always, happy reunion planning.